Why is Microsoft Edge browser performing so sluggishly? Imagine clicking on a link and waiting what feels like forever for the page to load. That frustration is common with Microsoft Edge, the default browser in Windows. But what causes this slowdown? Let's explore the main reasons behind sluggish performance and how Windows features play a role. First, Microsoft Edge is built on the Chromium engine, which is also used by Google Chrome. This means it shares core technology but is deeply integrated with Windows. This integration offers benefits like smoother access to Microsoft services, but it can also cause issues if the system isn't optimized. One common cause of slow browsing is high resource usage. When you have many tabs open or extensions running, Edge can use a lot of RAM and CPU power. If your computer has limited memory or an older processor, this can slow down not just Edge but the entire system. Windows manages resources dynamically, so if one app hogs memory, others may slow down too. Another factor is bugs or stability problems in Edge. Sometimes, recent updates introduce glitches, especially with PDF rendering or the new tab page. These bugs can cause the browser to freeze or crash. Enterprises often disable certain features through group policies to keep things stable, which shows these issues are recognized and managed in professional settings. Extensions can also be culprits. While they add useful features, poorly coded or outdated ones can cause lag. Turning off all extensions and then re-enabling them one at a time can help identify the troublemaker. Over time, cached data and cookies build up and can slow down browsing. Clearing this data regularly can restore speed. Hardware acceleration is meant to improve graphics performance by shifting tasks from the CPU to the graphics card. But if your graphics drivers are outdated or incompatible, enabling hardware acceleration can cause lag or visual glitches. Turning it off in Edge's settings often fixes this. Because Edge is so tightly woven into Windows, it handles more than just browsing. It powers web views and other apps and system features. This deep integration can make Edge harder to remove or replace, and when Edge has issues, they can ripple through the operating system. While this offers a seamless experience, it also means problems can have wider effects. Security and privacy features are vital but can also slow things down. Edge collects data to improve and comply with regulations, but processing this information in the background can cause delays. Adjusting privacy settings or disabling some telemetry can help speed things up. It's worth noting that performance issues aren't unique to Windows. Other browsers like Google Chrome can also slow down, but the degree depends on how well they integrate with the operating system. Edge's deep ties to Windows can sometimes make it more prone to performance hiccups, especially if system resources are limited or if there are bugs. To improve Edge's speed, keep both the browser and Windows updated. Disable unnecessary extensions, clear cache and cookies regularly, and turn off hardware acceleration if needed. Resetting Edge to default settings can also help if problems persist. In some cases, repairing or reinstalling the browser is a good step, though because Edge is part of Windows core features, complete removal isn't always possible. In the end, sluggish performance in Microsoft Edge often comes down to a mix of bugs, resource use, extensions, cache buildup, hardware acceleration issues, and how tightly it's integrated with Windows. Knowing these factors helps you troubleshoot effectively and decide whether to stick with Edge or consider alternatives.